Donna's Dresses is marketed as a stylish women's fashion store offering elegant dresses at surprisingly affordable prices. But the real question is, does the quality actually match what you pay, or is it another disappointing online boutique? Now, to be fair, affordable dress stores can still offer decent value, especially for casual events, trend fashion, or occasional wear. What it does well: the dresses look attractive online. Many of the product photos are visually appealing and follow current boutique fashion trends. Affordable pricing. Compared to established designer brands, the prices are much lower, which naturally attracts buyers shopping on a budget. Where it falls short: quality consistency is questionable. This is one of the biggest complaints with low-cost online dress stores. Many buyers across similar fashion sites report thin materials, poor stitching, and dresses that look cheaper in person than in the photos. Sizing can be inconsistent. Multiple Reddit discussions about online dress boutiques mention major sizing issues, especially with fast fashion or dropshipping style stores. Products may not match the pictures. This is another common complaint. Customers often expect premium-looking dresses from heavily edited marketing photos, but receive lower quality fabrics and construction instead. So, does the quality match what you pay? Donna's Dresses may work as a budget fashion option, but the quality likely reflects the lower pricing. The biggest mistake is expecting luxury-level materials and tailoring from heavily discounted online dress stores. Final verdict: Donna's Dresses equals affordable fashion, inconsistent quality. If you shop there, keep expectations realistic, read reviews carefully, and avoid assuming the dresses will look exactly like the professional marketing photos. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.